Hey viewers, here is a story of a Buddha and his disciple who were traveling. The greatest learning of the disciple in the journey might give answers to some of our questions, make us a bit wiser, or give a bit motivation. So, this is the second episode of The Voice of Hustler. I hope you're gonna enjoy the story. Once upon a time, there was a Buddha. He was traveling with his disciple Ananda. They both were very tired. They wanted to reach the next town before sunset. They were worried that if they didn't reach the next town before sunset, they have to stay in the forest for the night. But since Buddha has become old and Ananda himself is older than Buddha, they couldn't rush fast. They asked an old man, a farmer who was working in his field, how far is the town? And the farmer replied, not very far, don't be worried. It is just 2 miles away. At the most, you will reach it. Buddha smiled at the old man, and the old man smiled back. Ananda did not understand what was going on. They both started to walk. After some time, 2 miles have passed, but there was no town yet. Ananda was a bit nervous, and they both were even more tired now. They saw a old woman is collecting firewood. Ananda asked her how far is the village, and she says, not more than 2 miles. You have already reached it. Don't be worried. Buddha laughed, and the old woman laughs back. Ananda looks at both of them and says, what is that laughter? But Buddha ignored the question and started to walk again. And after 2 miles, still there is no town. They asked a third man, and again the same answer and the same situation. This time, Ananda drops his bag and says, I am not going to move anywhere. I am so tired, and it seems we are never going to cross these 2 miles. 3 times we believed. Ananda asked Buddha, why were you laughing when the old man said, 2 miles, just 2 miles. You don't have to go more than that. And again, you laughed when the old woman said, and she smiled. And again, with the third person, the same thing happened. What was that laughter? What was transpiring between you people? You don't even know them, and they don't know you either. Buddha smiled and said, our profession is the same. When I laughed, they laughed back. They understood that this man, same kind of profession, where you have to keep people encouraged. Just 2 miles, just a little more. Just 2 miles, just a little more. He said, for my whole life I have been doing this until people finally reach their destination. But if we say in the very beginning that you have to travel for 15 miles, they will drop then and there. But by traveling 2 miles and 2 miles, they will pass 200 miles. And I laughed at those people because I know this village. I have visited this village. I know it is not 2 miles, but I kept quiet because you were so eager to know how far it was. I know we were not going to make it. These people are compassionate. They were not lying. They were simply encouraging you. The first old man pushed you 2 miles. The second old man pushed you 2 miles more. The third man also pushed you 2 miles forward. You just needed a few more people and you would reach the town. But now, since you have dropped your bag, it's okay. We can stay here under this big tree. The town is still not 2 miles. Don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe to Autodidact and click on the bell icon to be notified on all updates from Autodidact.